નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Chapter number 1, Where to Look From. We already learned about different views of object. In these, we learn top view, front view and side view of different things and objects. We also learn dots and patterns concept, right? In these, we learn column, rangoli and different shapes and design. We do with dot grid and dots. We also learn about the mirror halves concept. Now in this video we are going to learn dividing object, how we divide the object. Okay, going to divide an object to check whether two pieces we cut are equal or not. If the objects we cut two pieces are equal, then it is called symmetry. Symmetry when objects cut are equal. The objects after cut, these are not equal, then it is called asymmetry. When objects cut are not equal. Okay, we already learned about the symmetry in our previous video also. You all know the concept of symmetry. Now let's we see the example of symmetry and asymmetry. Here you can see the pictures, right? First one, triangle and flower. Here we can see the objects divide into two equal parts, similar parts. That's why this is the example of symmetry. Now in second picture we can see the triangle and flower, but it's not cut into two parts, equal parts. Okay, here you can see. So it is the example of asymmetry. In this both picture we can clearly see the concept of symmetry and asymmetry. In previous exercise, they give us dotted line to check whether they make similar mirror halves or not. In this, they are asking us to draw a line to make the picture divide into two similar mirror halves or not. Using a dotted line, can you divide the following pictures into two similar halves? Here they give us pictures. We have to decide and draw a horizontal line and vertical line to see it makes similar mirror halves or not. Here first picture is comb. We can divide the picture into two similar halves. We have to draw vertical line and horizontal line. Here we draw vertical line to divide the picture into two similar halves. Now next picture, envelope. First of all we have to decide it makes two similar mirror halves or not. Yes, that's why we do vertical line. Now next 8. Here we also draw vertical line to make two similar mirror halves. Children, here you can put horizontal line also to make two similar mirror halves. Fourth one, scissor. Here we also draw vertical line. Children, rest of this exercise you have to draw a line and do it yourself. Okay children? Children, here I am giving you the answer. Check your answer which you do it yourself. Okay? First picture, vertical line, second vertical line, third one horizontal line, fourth one vertical line, fifth vertical line, and the kettle we can't do similar mirror house. Pencil vertical line, teacup we can't do similar mirror house. So we don't do anything in this picture. Next, vertical line, vertical line, vertical line, and the picture of hard disk we can't do similar mirror house. Aeroplane, do vertical line. Here you have to do dotted line. Okay. Next picture, we can't do two similar parts. Next picture of two, we can't do similar mirror halves. Next, yes, vertical line. Suitcase, yes, vertical line. Iron, umbrella and cloak, we can't do similar mirror halves, so we don't do anything in this picture. Okay, now look at your text. In this exercise, you have to guess the letters. Okay, can you guess these letters from their halves? Here they give us half of the letter and we have to find out what letter is this. First one, letter A. Second, letter C. Third one, letter H. And rest of these three you have to do it yourself. Okay, children? Now next exercise, using such letters we can also make words which have similar halves. Guess the words by looking their halves. Here they give us half of the words. We have to identify the words. Children, this exercise you have to do it yourself and make full words. Making a mask. Here they describe us how to make a mask. The steps of making mask is given below. Read and follow the instruction properly and make a mask. Here they teach us how to make a mask of cat. Take a piece of paper. Now there are the steps of making mask is given. Let's we read. First one, fold it along the middle. Here you have to fold a paper in the middle. Now next, on one side draw the figure. Here you have to draw figure in one side. Now next, third step, cut it out using a pair of scissors. Here you have to cut the picture using the scissor. Now fourth step, now open the fold and make the eyes, nose, etc. In this picture we can clearly see they make the eyes, nose, etc. Now next, fifth and last step, color it and tie a rubber band on its back. Your mask is ready. Here in fifth step, the mask is ready. Now next, you can make more such masks by taking help from the following pictures. Here they give us the example of other pictures. We can draw these pictures and make different type of mask. Children, here are the answer of the exercise which I was give you to do it yourself. First three we was do letter A, H and C. Now last three, letter U, letter B and letter K. Okay. Now here this is the answer of the next exercise which I give you to do it yourself. First word Max, how, HOW. Second letter WAX. Third letter cooked. And last letter rice, RICE, rice. Children, I hope you all understand this topic of first chapter. First we see the different types of view. Second, dots and pattern. Third one, mirror half. And fourth one, dividing the object. Here our chapter is over. I hope you all understood all the things and topics which we learn in this chapter. Thank you for joining us.